How to find recently added contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. First things first, go to your Shortcuts app and then tap on the plus sign at the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now let's type in contacts and select find contacts. Next, we want to sort through these contacts. Tap where it says sort by and choose creation date at the bottom. Then set the order to latest first. This way, we'll see the most recently added contacts at the top. You can also set a limit. Let's say we only want to see the latest 5 contacts. You can tap on the minus to decrease it and plus to increase it. Now go to the search actions option on the bottom, tap on it and there type show results. So go ahead and tap on it and here tap on the play button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now there you go, you'll see your latest contacts at the top of the screen and you just have to tap on any of them to view the details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.